students, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing well. In previous lecture we had studied under number system there are four different types. Which were there? The first one was decimal number system, second one was binary number system, then we had studied octal number system, and then the last one was hexadecimal number system. Am I right? So can you just tell me the base for the binary system is what? It is always 2. For octal it is 8, for hexadecimal it is 16, and for the decimal it is 10. Now if you observe carefully, in today's lecture we are going to convert the 37.125 decimal number into binary number. Am I right? So what is new in this case? In the previous lecture we had studied how to convert the whole number. So we have considered the example of 117 and 323, if you remember. Am I right? So in today's lecture I am going to convert 37.125 number into the binary number. So what you have to do? You have to break this number into two sections. Please pay attention over here. This is very important concept. Once you understand this particular concept, if the decimal point is there in the question, how to find out how to convert the given decimal number into binary number. For that purpose, first you have to divide 37 by 2. Same procedure you have to follow what we had discussed in the previous lectures. So can you just divide 37 number by 2? So after division you will be getting 18. Am I right? Here the quotient is 18. What would be the remainder you will get? It is 1. Similarly, again you have to divide this particular number by 2. Why I am dividing this by 2? Because we have to convert the given decimal number into binary number. If it is octal number, then you have to divide that particular number by 8. If it is hexadecimal number, you have to divide that number by 16. I hope you have understood till this step. Here you will get 9, and what would be the remainder you will get? 0. Again you have to divide this particular number by 2. After division the quotient will be 4. What would be the remainder you will get? It is 1. Again you need to divide 4 by 2. So the quotient will be 2, remainder will be 0. Again you need to divide, you will be getting here 0. If you are going to divide 1 by 2, here you will get 0 and the remainder will be 1. I hope you have understood how to perform the division. After division, what would be the next step that you need to follow? You have to write down the answer in binary form. So I am writing the answer for 37. Please pay attention over here. As you know that while writing you need to write from MSB to LSB. So this is called as most significant bit, and this is what? Least significant bit, if you remember. So how you are going to write down? Can you tell me the first bit? It is 1. After that 0. 0. Next would be 1. Then 0 and 1. Now this binary conversion is for what? 37 number. I need to put decimal point here. Now I need to find out the binary conversion for 0.125. So please pay attention over here how you are going to find out the binary conversion for this. So first we have to take 0.125 into 2. So the one important thing that you need to remember, if it is decimal point, before decimal point you have to divide that number. But after decimal point you have to multiply with that particular number. So the base is 2, so you have to multiply with 2. So what would be the next value you will get? After multiplication you will be getting 0.250. So from this you have to take the first, before the point, before the decimal point, whatever value you will get, you have to write that number as it is. Again you have to multiply the answer, that is 0.250 250 into 2. After multiplication, what you will get? 0.500. So again you need to take 0 as it is. I hope you are getting this. Then next would be 0.500 into 2. After multiplication, you will be getting 1.000. As I told you, in case of the binary conversion, after the division here, if once you get the 0 as the quotient, that particular moment you have to stop the division. Similarly, in case of the multiplication after decimal point, if you get 000, then at that particular moment you have to stop the multiplication. So what would be the value, what would be the bit? It is 1. But while writing the binary conversion, you have to write from LSB to MSB. This is very important concept that you have to remember. While writing after the decimal point, while writing the binary conversion, you have to write from LSB to MSB. So can you tell me what would be the first bit? It is 0, second bit is 0, the third bit is 1. And then I need to write the base as 2. I hope you have understood how to convert 37.125 decimal number into binary number. In next lecture, we'll learn how to convert same number into octal number as well as into hexadecimal number. Keep watching, keep learning. In next lecture, we'll continue with the octal and the hexadecimal number. Thank you.